everyone, here's a question. Solve root 5 plus root 2 square. It's like root 5 plus root 2 whole square. How to solve this? So if you observe here, it is something like a plus b whole square, and we have an identity a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here in place of a we have a root 5. So in place of a, if we compare, we have a root 5. In place of b we have a root 2. So in place of b we're going to put root 2. Now how to solve this? Now since we have given a plus b whole square, that is left hand or left side part of the identity, we have to solve the right side of the identity, right hand side of the identity. So we're going to substitute the value and get the answer. So root 5 plus root 2 whole square will be equal to, I'm going to use the identity, the right hand side. So it's a square. So a square, a value is root 5. So root 5 whole square plus 2ab. So 2ab means 2 into a is root 5 multiplied by b value is root 2 plus b square. So root 2 whole square. So first we have a root 5 whole square. Now root 5 whole square means you're multiplying root 5 2 times. So root 5 multiplied by root 5, which will be equal to 5. So how we got 5? Whenever you multiply any number which is in square root, okay, here this is square root. Whenever you multiply any number in square root by itself, you're gonna get the number without a square root. Now why we got this? Because square root means the power will be half, right? The root represents the half power. So 5 to the power half multiplied by 5 to the power half. Now if you see, you might have learned the exponents, the laws of exponents, where you have another identity where you're multiplying two exponents with the same base and different exponent or the same exponent. Here in this case they both are same. Whenever you are multiplying two numbers with the same base, then you should write the same base and add the exponent. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So half plus half is 1. So 5 to the power 1, or we can write down 5. And that is why we have written root 5 multiplied by root 5 is equal to 5. Instead of doing all these steps, you can directly write down 5 there. Now again, which identity I have used here? I have used a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n, where you can see that bases are same. If bases are same, the same base, just add the exponent. This law I have used to find out the answer. Okay, so we're going to proceed with the question here. So we have a root 5 square, which will be equal to 5 plus 2 into, now when you're multiplying a square roots, you can multiply them, but addition is not possible. You can add them if you have a same number inside the square root. If you don't have them, you cannot add them. But in case of multiplication, you can multiply them. What happens when you're multiplying two different square root? We have to put the square root and multiply the numbers inside. So it will be square root, and 5 2s are 10. That's it. Plus root 2 square will be 2. Now we can add 5 and 2, which will be 7. So 7 plus 2 into root 10 will be 2 root 10. That's it. Now here root 10 is an irrational number and 7 is a whole number. We cannot add irrational number and whole number. So this will be the answer, 7 plus 2 root 10. So I hope this question is clear. We have directly used the identity to solve this. In case you have any other question or doubt, you can drop a comment. I'll try to give an answer in the comment itself, or else I'm gonna make a video. Thank you so much for watching.